Ah, the great outdoors. There's nothing like the feeling of freedom you get when you hit the road and leave the city behind. But let's face it, sleeping in a cramped car or tent isn't exactly the most comfortable experience. That's where Truck Bed Air Mattresses come in. They're the perfect solution for anyone who wants to enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing a good night's sleep. We've searched the internet to find the best truck bed air mattresses out there, and we're excited to share our top picks with you. We spent hours researching and testing different truck bed air mattresses to find the ones that offer the most comfort and durability. So buckle up and get ready for some seriously comfy camping. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the WASAGUN Truck Bed Air Mattress. The WASAGUN is a great choice for anyone who wants to maximize the space in their truck bed while also getting a comfortable night's sleep. The removable side mattresses are a game changer, providing extra room and anchoring your sleep position for a more restful night's sleep. The ergonomic honeycomb structures provide stable support, prevent body slide, and distribute weight pressure, making it easy to enjoy camping nights. The durable premium fabric is another great feature of this mattress. It's skin-friendly, anti-static, and airy, making you feel as comfortable sleeping in your truck bed as you would at home. The thickened PVC and reinforced seam prevent unwanted leakage, avoid uncomfortable shakes, and keep the mattress stable and firm. Inflation and deflation are easy with the included air pump, which can be plugged into both home outlets and truck outlets. The mattress can be inflated or deflated to adjust the stiffness and achieve your desired comfort level. The WASAGUN is a great investment for anyone who wants to make the most of their truck bed space while also getting a comfortable night's sleep. In at number 4 is the Offroading Gear Inflatable Truck Bed Air Mattress. We highly recommend the Offroading Gear mattress for anyone looking for a comfortable and durable sleeping solution while camping or road tripping in their pickup truck. The Offroading Gear mattress is a durable and rugged sleeping solution that is made of a soft polyester top layer with a durable vinyl body. It includes 3 air chambers for increased durability and longevity. The mattress fits perfectly in the back of a F-150 truck, and it has cutouts on each side for the wheel wells with flaps that can be inflated separately to use on a flat surface. Experiment a bit to find the right firmness for you. One drawback is that the mattress is shorter than expected, so if you're over 6 foot, your feet may hang off the end. And the cigarette lighter cord for the air pump is too short. Overall, the Offroading Gear Inflatable Truck Bed Air Mattress is a great investment for anyone looking for a comfortable and durable sleeping solution for their pickup truck. The third product on our list is the AirBedz Lite Truck Bed Air Mattress. We highly recommend the AirBedz Lite mattress for anyone looking to camp in their truck bed. We recently used the AirBedz Lite mattress on a camping trip and were impressed with its comfort and durability. The comfort coil system provided a stable sleeping surface, and the cutouts allowed the mattress to fit perfectly around the wheel wells. The included portable DC air pump made inflating the mattress a breeze, although it did take a few minutes to fully inflate. One downside of the AirBedz Lite is that the material is thin and can easily puncture, so it's important to be careful when setting it up. And the pump is not the most powerful, so it may take a while to fully inflate the mattress. The AirBedz Lite mattress is a great option for anyone looking to camp in their truck bed. Its comfort coil system and durable construction make for a comfortable and enjoyable camping experience. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the Pittman Outdoors AirBedz Pro 3. If you're in the market for a truck bed air mattress, we highly recommend the Pittman Outdoors AirBedz Pro 3. We recently took the Pittman Pro 3 on a camping trip and were pleasantly surprised by how comfortable it was. The integrated pump made inflating and deflating the mattress a breeze, and the comfort fabric top kept our linens in place throughout the night. One downside we noticed was that the mattress is not as durable as some other options we've tried. We also found that the cord for the pump only uses the car lighter plug, which may be inconvenient for some users. If you're looking for a comfortable and easy-to-use truck bed air mattress, the Pittman Outdoors AirBedz Pro 3 is a great choice. The best truck bed air mattress is the Pittman Outdoors AirBedz Original Truck Bed Air Mattress. If you're looking for a comfortable and durable air mattress that fits perfectly in your truck bed. The Pittman Outdoors AirBedz Original is an excellent choice. We recently took it on a camping trip and were impressed with its performance. The built-in pump made inflating and deflating the mattress a breeze, and the air coil system provided excellent support throughout the night. One of the best features of this mattress is the tailgate mattress, which adds extra sleeping space and allows you to fully utilize your truck bed. We also appreciated the redesigned battery, which provided reliable performance throughout our trip. The only downsides we found were that the valve covers could be more durable and the included bag could be of higher quality, and the battery life could be longer, but we were able to recharge it easily with the included charger. Overall, we highly recommend the Pittman Outdoors AirBedz Original for anyone looking for a comfortable and convenient sleeping solution for their truck bed. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.